Welcome back to Stage Alpha Garage with me, Shaker, and today we're working on the Genesis Coupe. We got our first actual performance racing part, Megan Racing transmission mount. We're going to get rid of the sloppy OEM one. With apparently the rubbers are a bit weak in those, and these have stronger rubber. So stronger rubber, we'll start there. Let's have a look to see what we get in the box. You get a little bit of fancy packaging here. Useless. And then inside, we get Megan Racing sticker and RMA policy card, the mount itself. So there's our Megan Racing transmission mount. We're gonna slide this underneath the car and hopefully it'll feel a little better with the shifting. I mean, that is a stiff pushing. So we'll see you under the car.
Well, fancy meeting you down here. Got our bucket full of tools. Got our mount. Everything's just a little bit wet today. So the first step is to remove this tray, and then we can get access to the motor mount itself. If you don't have yourself something like this, get one, it's handy. There's the tray off. It actually had quite a few bolts in it and 2 nuts. Generally impressed with how well it was held on. Our next step is to remove these 4 bolts and these 4 bolts. But we probably should support the transmission. So we got the transmission supported properly with a floor jack. Now we can go ahead and drop these last 2 bolts. There's the cross member out, and now we just gotta, bring it around so you can see this. Sorry about the weird angle. Look at how loose that is. So much play. So, let's have a look and we'll get the new one on and see what it's like. Well, that's nice, same size bolts as the cross member. There's the old one out. Junk. And there's the new Megan Racing one. Not junk. Interesting when taking this off. The driver's side, it has bolts, and the passenger side has nuts on the transmission itself. There we go. Those are nice and tight. Well, let's hope this is the right way. So this impact has an auto feature on it. I'm going to click that on. See what happens. And that is it. The mount is in. So I'm going to get that cover back on, slide back out of here, and we'll finish up. Well, we're in the Genesis now, and we got that mount changed out on the transmission. And is it any better? I don't know. We're going to have to go for a drive to find out. I imagine it's going to be kind of hard to tell. I can't tell if the shifter's any stiffer or not. Maybe. I'd like to think it does, but maybe that's just psychologicalness going on, thinking that it's better. We'll go for a drive and find out. See you on the road. We're in the car. Let's go see if this shifter feels any different on the road. Get alert. I'm gonna have to say, the shifter is a lot better. That shifted much better. We'll see you next time at Stage Alpha Garage.